And this is a thing that is just currently not working. Maybe in 2 years, maybe in 5 years, I don't know, because AI is incredible improving. But the main focus for us is we say like, we help where it already works. And these are mostly the tedious tasks, the things that are not creative, the things that you need to pull something out. This is where it can absolutely perfectly support you, because it understands what is your task, and then it just replicates it in an adaptive way, where we are already integrating AI into our product.
How have you adapted, or have you adopted any AI into usage for your employees or from the business side?
So currently, like from the technical perspective, we are really trying out things. For me, I say like, for example, in marketing or also in QA. Honestly, I expect that a lot of manual QA work that is just like tedious tasks. Yes, you can do end-to-end, but I think there I can really help us. So I see the big advantage